Actually, what we have is we have two demonstrations. One if you want to do it with a ketchup packet, and I'm doing another one with an eyedropper. So let me talk to you about the materials you would need to run this demonstration. I'll show you each of these, and then we'll finish up with what's the science behind this. Why do these guys dive down to the bottom? So materials, if you're just going to do one of these, you just need 1 2-liter bottle. If you take the wrapper off, it's easier to see what's happening. And you either need just a normal, ordinary eyedropper like this right here, or you need a ketchup packet. Now, ketchup packets, there are specific types that you can use. I got these from Wendy's. You can go to any fast food and get them, but you want to test them before you use them. Now you'll notice in this bowl that I've got right here, there's a ketchup packet. There only seems to be one of them in this pack where it sank. Now if your ketchup packet's sinking right away, it's not going to work. So this one would not work. You'll also notice I've got a couple of ketchup packets where not only are they floating, but they're easily floating. You don't want those ones. I actually put one of those ones in here, and you're going to notice I'm going to have to squeeze really hard to get it to sink. What you want to use with ketchup is you want to use the ketchup packets that are floating, but just barely. So you want to put the ketchup packet in that's barely floating, and it's going to make it easier for you to make that diver sink. All right, so that's how we set this up, and then I put the top on. Next, I'm going to set up this eyedropper. So I'm going to squeeze it. I'm going to pull in the water. And here we go. So I've got an eyedropper that's, filled as much as possible. I drop it in and it floats. It floats for now. So I'm going to throw the top on here in order for us to squeeze these. The tops have to be on. The tops have to be on really well. And I'm going to first start with this ketchup packet. Okay, if I take the bottle, tops on, and I squeeze really hard, you'll notice I got the ketchup packet to dive down all the way to the bottom. I let go and he flies up to the top. Same thing happens with the eyedropper. But the eyedropper, it's a little bit nice. If you zoom in close, if you look at it, not only can we squeeze it and get it to dive down, get it to come back up, we can look inside and we can see why it's diving and why it's coming back up. As I squeeze this, we can see the water level inside the eyedropper. The water level goes up, and the air that's inside, that air pocket looks like it's getting smaller. And it is. We squeeze this one, he drops to the bottom, let go, he's at the top. Squeeze, he dives to the bottom, let go, he comes to the top. So here we've got two Cartesian divers. All right, what's the science behind this? Why is it that when I squeeze these bottles, we can get these Cartesian divers to dive down to the bottom, then come back to the top? Well, it has to do with pressure. It has to do with pressure, and it has to do with density. So as of right now, both of these things are less dense than the water. They are floating. But both of these have gas as part of them. Inside of the ketchup packets, there's a little tiny bit of gas inside. And inside of the eyedropper, when I filled this up with water, we had the water level right about here, and then all the rest of this inside of the black bulb and right in this area is gas. It's the air around us, which is much less dense. Gases are very compressible. Liquids, no. Solids, no. But gases, we can compress them a lot. And so what happens is as I squeeze on this one right here, the little bit of gas that's inside of that packet smushes down, okay, it compresses very easily to a very small point, which makes it more dense. And in fact, the whole thing becomes more dense than the water, and it sinks. And as I told you before, the nice thing about this one here is when you squeeze on it, you can see the air getting smaller inside. You can see as I'm compressing this, as I'm adding pressure, those gas molecules are getting closer together, and so we're sending water up inside of the eyedropper. And so when we send enough water inside, the eyedropper is more dense than water, sinks to the bottom, I let go, and then that gas expands back out to where it was originally. It's less dense than water, and it floats to the top. So Cartesian diver.